Hello everybody, and how are you doing? Welcome back after a long time. I hope you enjoyed your Diwali vacation and spent some time with your friends and family. So I was also on the vacation and on a tour, also spending the time with my friends and family, and that's why I was away for a couple of weeks and was not able to put up the video. But now I'm back, and we will definitely start posting the videos and take our online shopping website further. So today's video will be quite short, as I'm not in position today to add a lot of data to it, but we'll try to make it little further towards our ultimate goal of making a complete working online shopping website. Let's see where we stand right now. So I'm running the website and let's launch it. So this is our online shopping website. Currently you are able to see we have some drop down menus. They don't work. There is carousel added as well as some cards added. These links are there, don't work. So here we are right now. In this website, what I will like to add now is the read more button here, because when I want to, let's say, find out more information about this product, I should be able to read quickly the information about the products here. I don't have to go and click on the link and go to the product detail page. Yes, if I'm interested, definitely I will click the link for the product and it will open another page. But just on the same page, if I get some information, more information, that will be great. So for that purpose, we need to add one read more button here, which will expand this card and show some more information about the product. Plus, I will like to add the filter button. So we need to filter the data products based on its type, price, rating, and some other criteria. Currently, our product model have only this much data. So we need to add some more attributes into the model, and plus we need to update the data in the database. Now to add the button, read more button, in our cards, div, I have added one more div and then a button tag. A used button warning. So these are the bootstrap classes, as you already know. The ID given is read dash more and the name is read more. Okay, let's quickly run the server and we should be able to see the read more button appearing for one of the card. So it is appearing. Currently it don't work, obviously, because we haven't implemented, but in this way we will add it for all our cards. Now please remember that this is currently hard-coded. It's not, we will make this website dynamic. So for now I will not add, because in our next part we will make this dynamic and we don't have to write all the cards separately, because we will read this card information directly from the database and loop it here. So only for now I'm adding the read more button only in the first tag, and that's enough for now. When it will run in the loop, we will see it everywhere. So that's the idea. Also, in our products model.py, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attributes about the product. 5 fields are there, but these are not enough, because as I said earlier, we want to filter the data and use a lot of other attributes to work with the data, to manipulate the data. Data means product here. And therefore, I will add few more fields to our product. Now, as you can see, I have added these additional fields in our product. One is an image field, So this will obviously hold the image for our product. Then the seller ID, which is integer field. Now, why do we need a seller ID? Because every product has its own ID, but we want to know who is selling that, right? So that seller should get the intimation that there is a request or order for that product. We need to know who is selling it. Plus delivery time, product category. So we have to we want to. So here in our website, if you see, there are different categories like women clothing, mobile accessories, men clothing, and there could be some more subcategories. So we want to add the categories in our website for the product, as well as some links, some additional link information, and the title. There should be some attractive title to the product. So by looking at which, the customer will come, or they will wish to see what the product is, or they will get some more information about the product. And in future, if we require, we will add some more attributes or fields. After adding attributes to model.py, we need to also add it first to the admin. Okay, and after that, adding these attributes here, we have to run the command, two commands that we already did. Now we have added here the attributes. Let's make it run. So I run the command. Okay, I run the admin. It's logged in directly, and if I try to add new, you see we can now see the title, link, category, delivery time, seller ID above were already there. So far so good, and there is no data yet added, so we will like to add this data. Okay, I have also added now image field and added it to the admin.py, and if I run the server, we are able to see the image field also. So there was basically the issue, there was a problem that we need to mention blank is equal to true, or else it gives the error. And when I go to the admin into the product, you can see the image field where you can choose the product images. Great, so far so good. Now what we will do is, next time, add some code to make our website dynamic, right? Before that, I will add some data into products category for different type of data, for example, women clothing, men clothing, mobile and accessories, etc. And we'll write the code, and we should be able to see all these cards with data from database instead of hard coding, which is now that you are looking at. So until next time, guys, see you and have a good day. Thank you.